Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add a price alert to cryptocurrencies on the Coinbase app. Before we get this set up, Coinbase did get rid of its custom price alerts that they had early on. This allowed you to set an alert, for example, if Bitcoin hit a certain price that you set. What they've done now though is send automatic alerts whenever one of your watched cryptocurrencies has a large swing over a short period of time. So when Bitcoin drops, you can load up. Also, if you're new to crypto and Coinbase, I'll put a referral link below where we can both get $10 after your first $100 trade. There's a ton of exchanges out there, but I think Coinbase is probably the easiest to get started with. To get this set up, open the Coinbase app. To get a price alert, we have to first add it to our watch list. Tap the trade icon on the bottom menu, and in this example, we'll choose Bitcoin. At the top right, tap the star icon to add it to your watch list. To look at what we have in our watch list, tap Home on the bottom and you'll see the watch list section. If you already have a bunch, tap See All. Now to make sure that our price alerts are active, from the main screen, tap the three-line menu button on the top left and hit Profile and Settings. Scroll down and then choose Notification Settings, and then inside of here, choose Price Alerts. At the top, you'll see an example of an alert, and under that, the alert preferences. You want to keep both of these settings turned on. Finally, if you already have this turned on but aren't seeing alerts, or are setting it up for the first time and you just want to make sure they're good, we need to make sure that our iPhone notifications are turned on for the Coinbase app. Close Coinbase and then open Settings. Inside of here, tap Notifications. Next, scroll down and choose Coinbase, and make sure that Allow Notifications is enabled. Once you're all set, you'll be good to go and will receive price swing notifications from Coinbase. And that's how you set and receive price alerts from the Coinbase app. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.